the children to do this shit. The Queen Quet always traveling, always to meet and greet. We want people and things like that. We had to turn off the road right up on 17 in the Pawley area because we ain't too far from that place they call Lutchville and things like that. Because I've been on see these sticker things on side the road. I said, who that got these stamping stickers? Like, I see this one, yeah. And I said, oh, we have a Tony, you're quick. All right, and that's who we find, Brother Williams, who did from right here and things like that. He said he used to be out in the forest. He
yes,
been to do no seeking. He said he been to work with the Forest Service.
Yes.
So how long you been making these though?
I make these for 35 years, and from the plantation, full generation back, up until now.
Wow. And so where your family was from in this area?
Most came from Georgetown and Charleston.
Okay. So slavery time.
Yeah.
And so that you did all the way back to that time with your family doing this woodwork?
Yes.
So you only make the sticks or you do other kind of woodwork?
The whole, on the girl side, the mother always was a cook on the plantation.
Gotcha.
So all of the Williams could cook.
Oh yeah.
Even the boys.
You look like you ain't hurt.
No. and all the men was most of the men was either farmer or carpenter or both. So that's saying our race have talent in us, but some of us just have to dig it out.
That's it.
It ain't all about going to school and all this. You just got raw talent.
Mother wit. That's right. So now tell me, so you ever farm yourself?
Yes.
Oh yeah? You still do it?
Still do it up to the day.
So what you grow up this side?
On this side?
Yeah, where you grow?
I grow collard green.
Okay.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Irish potato.
Nice.
Sweet potato, red potato, white potato.
Okay.
My wife came from Sandy Island, so I don't have to worry because she know how to plant.
Know how to plant. That's right.
She know we can work together.
That's right.
Yeah.
You got
but
the
now when we plant our garden, we don't sell. We take it to the senior citizen and give it to the senior citizen.
Oh, okay then. Well, I ain't old enough. I've been gonna ask us a sweet potato just now. Tell you, say that. I ain't old enough yet. So
I'll tell you, she made a good point. If you're young and strong, do it yourself. If you're old, squirrels, people love squirrel. Older people still like squirrel, like hunt squirrel, give it to them, clean it and everything.
Yeah,
because
they love for them for that. Yeah. But we grow sweet potato almost every year, except this year. So I might have to hit you up for some seed next year. But we aren't growing back on St. Helena because after the storms had hit us a couple of times and our field was soaked, and all that water, it couldn't take all that. So it rotated in the ground. So this year, my cousin going to call himself, go bush hog, tractor broke down in the field. So that's why we couldn't plant this year. But I might have to hit you up for some seed next year. So you keep your seed every year?
Every year.
So you do your, you bank them?
Yeah, the potatoes? Yeah. How you know about that?
How you mean I know how to do them?
Yeah, bank things.
Yeah, I know all that thing. That's right. Y'all ain't all this one with a whole bunch of children.
She banked that potato.
Bank that potato, man. Yes, sir.
When the winter comes.
Ain't it? Okay, and that chilly night last night, that good time to roast it out there. What? It had an ash. Roast that potato in there, pull them up. Well, I'm sure glad we saw you out here today. This is wonderful. And then if y'all take a look, y'all see ain't no one variety. Ain't like just all these in my hand. Go and take a look at these. Y'all see he got from the rooster. He got some duck out here. It got push. It got owl. It got the hammer. It got all kind of good things. And then he custom make them. So you ain't have to say, well, I ain't got none I like. All you got to do, give him the idea. And
send a picture.
Send the picture, he said. He'll go on and handle that for you. So this is all right. I love you.
I don't have a competition. Nothing.
But what God has to do.
It's for me. Then I'm a preacher.
You are?
Yes, sir.
So what church you go?
Holiness.
What's the name of your church?
Tiburon Miracle Revival Holiness.
Okay.
And our main church is in Somerville, which is Somerville Miracle Revival Center.
Revival Center.
Yeah, all the churches we have that name, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And so Tidwin, so is it right there? I mean, it's right on what was Tidwin Plantation there?
Yeah.
Where the old plantation
that's where we got the
houses
name
and all
from.
that?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But
Learn
now the
something
church
every day.
is no longer in Tidwin because we built a new one.
Because you built a new one.
Yeah, we built it at a little town called Bacall.
Oh yeah, I heard about
Yeah, so
okay,
that's where
so
we
a
at.
little further.
But the name is still the
but
same.
the name will stay. Yeah, of course. You know how we do.
Yeah.
And the congregation
Yeah.
is really the church. Ain't
Yeah.
really building it. So you carry the name. Yes, sir. Well, I am sure proud. So, Hunter Chiller, you see, and y'all be to wonder what we to do it. Y'all think say everybody make basket. Everybody don't make basket,
No.
but that means that we ain't got other crafts and things holding but we culture right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So if Hunter Chiller coming through, if y'all coming from like Myrtle Beach, shooting through Pawley, going Charleston, it gonna be right here on your right hand side of 17.
Can't miss me.
You can't miss them. So make sure you stop by, have some shiny thing. But stand with Mr. Williams. Y'all can let him know, yeah, we see you on Queen Quet show that time. So now y'all come on down here and spend some money with we people. Because I sure gonna be shouting with one of these sticks. I ain't gonna have to use them to walk. I pray to God I never use them for walk. But I like to use them for shout. So Hunter Chiller, you know if you're there with me, Hunter, I know this year the work going on.
Yes.